Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This right here is a screen cleaning kit for TVs, laptops, tablets, cameras, cell phones, GPS, even your glasses. It shows you all the items right here that it cleans. I never tried it before. It comes with the screen cleaner. I don't know what the liquid is in there, and it have a brush as well, and it comes with a cloth in it as well, like a microfiber cloth. And they say this is one of the best products they use to clean their TVs, smartphones, whatever, so you don't have that smudge, especially for TVs, that smudge, whether if you try to clean it, that water damage. And it said 200 milliliter bottle of formula cleaning fluid and convenient spray dispenser. So this is a spray. Hopefully you guys can see it. This is a spray dispenser. Optical grade anti-static microfiber cleaning mitt. Oh, it's a mitt. I didn't even know that. It's actually a mitt, guys. As you can see it, yeah, it's a mitt. And retractable anti-static cleaning brush. So the brush is actually, so it said effective cleaning solution and cloth safe, no dip solution for all electronic screen and optical lenses. No alcohol, oily fingerprints, messy little handprints, dirt, dust, smudge, excessive static. So guys, this is running for like 19 bucks and some change plus tax at BrandSmart. If you guys want to go and check it out. I never tried it before, guys. I should make a video by trying it, but I don't think you guys can really see the difference, because on the camera it'll look a certain type of way. But just here just to tell you about this product. Thank you for watching. You can check it out if you want to. As I said, it cleans all these products. The screen. So this is a screen cleaning kit, guys. You can check it out if you want to. As I said, they sell it at BrandSmart. Please like, subscribe, and peace out. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.